To set up Semrush position tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the position tracking tool. This tool allows you to monitor your website's rankings for specific keywords over time, providing valuable insights into your search engine optimization efforts. First, click on the position tracking button and then select the project you want to work with. If you don't have a project set up, you can create a new one by entering your website's domain and giving it a name. Next, you will need to set up your target keywords. These are the search terms you want to track your website's rankings for. You can add keywords manually or import them from a file. It's a good idea to start with a small set of high-priority keywords and expand from there. After setting up your keywords, you will need to configure your tracking settings. This includes selecting the search engine you want to track, the device type, and the location. For example, you may want to track your website's rankings on Google in the United States on desktop devices. Once you have configured your settings, you can set up your competitors. This allows you to compare your website's rankings to those of your competitors, providing valuable insights into your competitive landscape. You can add competitors manually or use Semrush's automated competitor suggestion tool. With your position tracking campaign set up, Semrush will begin collecting data on your website's rankings for your target keywords. You can view this data in the position tracking tool, where you can see your website's current rankings, as well as its ranking history over time. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it's a good idea to regularly review your data and adjust your campaign settings as needed. This may involve adding or removing keywords, adjusting your tracking settings, or modifying your competitor list by following these steps and best practices. You can use Semrush position tracking to inform your SEO strategy and improve your website's search engine rankings.